Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a random project on a job here. As you can see, there's two holes where this other adjacent handle was mounted. Well, over time, especially with a MDF core door, which is a synthetic material, the screws get stripped out, the handles get banged around, and they pull out. So today, I'm going to show you how you fix that. Got some toothpicks, your standard kitchen toothpicks, Titebond original, some glue. And what we're going to do is we're going to take toothpicks, glue them up real good, get them all around. Then we're going to shove them in those holes. And what that's going to do is that's going to give us a new substrate to attach our screws to, hopefully. We'll do the same thing with the other hole. Get some glue on there. Try to get as much glue in the hole as we can. There you go. We'll let that dry for a little bit. Come back, cut those toothpicks off once the glue is dried, and then re-drill some new holes. We'll be back. Alright, here we are. Looks like the glue's dried. It's solid. Now, I'm actually going to use fingernail clippers. Something I've found that cut nice and close. Cut those off as close to the door as you can. There we go. Now, we are ready to pre-drill a pilot hole, create some new centers, and put this back together. Alright, got a real small drill bit here to start. Drill in the center of our toothpicks. It's a little tricky to get it started. That's why I start with a small bit. Makes it easier to get it started. Normally, having a hard time here now. Alright. Then I'll go a little bit bigger here. Alright. Now, we've got our holes drilled. Now I should be able to take the handle that broke off, find those new holes, zip it in, see what we can do. Always go real slow, start them both, just to make sure that we're lined up right, and those holes can be a little fragile still. Especially with this application, we have hollow core MDF, so there's not a whole lot of meat there to anchor into. Alright, there you have it. Both our handles back on, little paint touch up, we're back on the road. Just thought it was a cool, handy little trick. Good opportunity to help some people troubleshoot. I know it's screws don't hold forever. When they come loose, it's nice to know. A little trick. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. And stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys.